Hey folks, it's robot vacuum season, and I'll be honest, I didn't realize how intense it would get. I've been evaluating a number of models lately, and today's face-off highlights two well-liked competitors, the Xiaomi X20 Plus and the freshly released Roborock QR598. Both of these fall within the same mid-range pricing band, but will the QR598 eventually unseat Xiaomi's reigning leader? Let's investigate it. With LiDAR turrets for accurate mapping and navigation, the Roborock QR598 and Xiaomi X20 Plus maintain the traditional circular form factor in their designs. Despite the modest height increase caused by these turrets, both vacuums can still pass under most furniture with a minimum of 9 centimeters of space. Although the Roborock QR598 is somewhat shorter, by only 0.5 millimeters, it does not offer an ergonomic advantage. Both units exhibit the high standards of their respective brands in terms of build quality. Although LiDAR technologies are used by both vacuums, the Roborock QR598 goes one step further by including a structured light sensor on the front. This function improves obstacle avoidance and detection, especially in congested settings. The Xiaomi X20 Plus uses a conventional LDS configuration, which works well but isn't as sophisticated or flexible as Roborock's upgraded system. Because of this, the QR598 provides easier navigation and fewer obstacles, particularly while navigating confined spaces or intricate furniture arrangements. Roborock leads this category once more. In addition to reducing hair tangles, the QR598's all-rubber brush also makes maintenance simpler. Xiaomi's X20 Plus, on the other hand, continues to use a conventional rubber and bristle mix, which can collect more hair and need more regular cleaning. When you combine this with Roborock's stronger suction, the QR598 unquestionably provides a more potent and convenient cleaning experience, particularly for pet owners or homes with high foot traffic. Both vacuums have mop attachments and stations that automatically refill water and clean the mop. Roborock improves this configuration, though, with a few useful benefits. First off, Xiaomi's two rotating mops rotate at 180 RPM, whereas its rotate at 200 RPM. Second, the X20 Plus tops out at 7 mm, but the QR598's mop lift reaches 10 mm. When moving over medium pile carpets, that additional lift becomes essential since Roborock's system remains high enough to keep the fibers dry, whereas Xiaomi's system may wind up wetting them. The mopping experience is made more intelligent and carpet-safe by these minor enhancements. By autonomously emptying trash cans, cleaning mops, and replenishing water tanks, both base stations are made to require less manual intervention. If you already use other Xiaomi smart devices, the Xiaomi X20 Plus's integration into the Xiaomi Home ecosystem is a benefit. Nonetheless, Roborock's specialized app provides a more refined and targeted user experience. Room mapping, zone control, scheduled cleaning, and mop management are among the functions that both apps enable. Even while Xiaomi's attractiveness in the wider ecosystem is still high, this provides Roborock a slight advantage in smart control. With their 5,200 mAh batteries, both models can clean an area of about 100 square meters on a single charge. Efficiency is the key to the difference. By reducing suction under typical conditions, Xiaomi is able to increase runtime and reduce power consumption. However, while in its Max Plus cleaning mode, the QR598 drains more quickly while still managing to clean a regular room without any problems. Therefore, Xiaomi has a little advantage in endurance, even if both perform well. When subjected to daily messes, the Roborock QR598 continuously produced superior outcomes. In terms of cleaning power and preventing carpet contamination, its mop system performed marginally better, and it managed pet hair, crumbs, and carpet debris in fewer passes. Although it occasionally needed a second run on heavier garbage, the Xiaomi X20 Plus performed comparably in general maintenance cleaning and obstacle avoidance. Although neither gadget has the same level of sophisticated object recognition as flagship models, both were capable of avoiding everyday objects. The Roborock QR598 has a small and well-thought-out design that combines suction power, carpet-friendly mopping, and smartphone intelligence. Its all-rubber brush increases its attractiveness for pet-owning households, and its greater mop lift and faster mop spin improve practicality. Better battery life and ecosystem integration are features of the Xiaomi X20 Plus, especially if you already own Xiaomi devices. Although not class-leading, its cleaning performance is nevertheless respectable, and its LDS-based navigation is dependable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and God bless you.